Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The BTC has spiked more than $10,400. So in today's video, we will have some analysis how the price action can behave in next coming few days. In today's video, I would like to show you the price action move within this up channel, and we will also watch the position of the different moving averages and how the price action of Bitcoin is forming the different flags, the bull flags, and how these indicators on the daily chart are turning bullish, and whether the Bitcoin will break out this resistance level of $10,000 or not. And we will also watch how the BTC is breaking out the different bearish patterns on the daily chart as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this multi-years based symmetrical triangle. This is a very big triangle that the Bitcoin has formed, and at this time the price action is trying to break out the resistance of this triangle. And we will also watch this very big bullish garlic pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart that I published back in March and April 2020. Now let's start the video. First of all, I would like to show you this bearish bad pattern that was formed on the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price action was not able to break out the resistance of this potential reversal zone, and it was continuously moving down after hitting this zone. And at this time the price action is moving up from this area, and here on the daily chart we can see that the price action was moving, even it is moving in this up channel, and at this time the price action has crossed up this 25 simple moving average after hitting at the support, and it is moving up towards the resistance of the channel that is around at $10,900. And if we watch the position of the simple moving averages on this daily chart, then we have the support of 25 simple moving average, and then we have the support of 50 simple moving average, then 200, and then 100. We need a formation of complete open alligator mouth, as I have already told you in my previous videos, as we had back in June 2019. Here we can see that we had the 25 above, then 50 below the 25, then we had the 100 and the 200 simple moving average was below all these 4 simple moving averages, and we had a complete opened alligator mouth that led the price action to $13,800. Same as like that, we need a complete opened alligator mouth if we want to see any big bullish move by the Bitcoin. At this time, the 25 is above all, then we have the 50, and this cross is still due. The 100 simple moving average should cross up the 200 simple moving average as soon as possible. Then a complete opened alligator mouth will be formed, and that can lead the price action more up, and it will trigger a very powerful bullish divergence. At this time, we can see that the price action is moving above the 25 simple moving average, but this 25 simple moving average is not so much bullish. At this time we can see it is moving at the right side. Here, for example, when it was moving up and it was bullish, the price action hit at this 25 simple moving average and moved up and used this simple moving average very successfully as a support. But at this level, at this time, when the price action, when this 25 simple moving average was moving towards the right side, then we can see that price action could not use this simple moving average successfully as a support and drop down. Therefore, we need this 25 simple moving average to move up with the price action. Then we will have a strong support of this moving average. And if we watch the EMAs on the daily chart, this is the EMA 10, the exponential moving average 10, and the exponential moving average at the time period of 21. Then we can see that after the March, the Bitcoin is using these 2 EMAs as a support very successfully. Like we can see that here, when the price action moved up or crossed up these 2 EMAs, then used these 2 EMAs as support and moved up. And here it has used these moving averages as support and moved up. And at this time it has also used these 2 EMAs as a support and moving up. And we can see that the EMA 10 and EMA 21 are lifting the price action more up. This is very bullish indication by the EMAs. And if we watch the bull flag formation, then we have the 3rd bull flag formation, and the price action is likely to form or go for the next the fourth bull flag on the daily chart. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third bull flag. And the price action was moving sideways within this flag, and now it has broken out this flag. So it is likely to form another flag if it will be not dropped down again. And if we will watch on the same daily chart the different indicators and the oscillators, then we can see that, as we have discussed in my previous videos, that if the RSI is in downtrend, the price action will definitely follow that trend of RSI, whether other indicator, whatever the other indicators are saying or they are giving the signals, it will follow, or it will give the priority of the signals or the trend of the RSI. And we can see that at this time the RSI it has broken out the downtrend. It was in downtrend, and at this time it has broken out the downtrend and moving towards the overbought zone, and the price action is also following the trend of the RSI. And if we watch this stochastic RSI, then we can see that the stochastic has also given us the bull cross from very close to the oversold zone, and it is still in a strong bullish position. And if we watch this momentum indicator, then we have a first green bar appeared by this momentum indicator, and it is turned very strong bullish on the daily chart. So all these indicators are turned very strong bullish on the daily chart. And if we watch the resistance level where the price action is moving at this time, and at this time the Bitcoin is struggling to break out the $10,000 resistance level, and we can see that the price action is trying to cross up this level. But if we watch the volume, then that is not as that much powerful that we need to break out this resistance level. Like if we watch the previous attempts by the Bitcoin, then we can see that even at that time, in the previous attempts, we had the greater volume than the current volume. And if we watch this volume oscillator that is showing the power of bulls, then we can see that the volume oscillator is in negative. Even if we watch the previous attempts, then the volume oscillator was showing the power of the bulls. For example, here it was more than 23 level, and here it was more than at 28 level. At this time, it is in negative. That is a bit critical situation by the volume indicators. But if we watch this directional movement, then we can see that the positive directional indicator has crossed up the negative directional indicator, and the ADX is also moving down on this daily chart. That is a very bullish signal. If the ADX is moving up like it was moved up here, and we have seen the spike around $10,000 and $10,000, more than $10,000. And at this time, if the ADX will be moved up, then definitely it will lead the price action towards the $11,000. And if we watch this chart, then the price action has formed a rising wedge that is considered as a bearish pattern and among the traders community. But this time we can see that the price action is crossing up or breaking out this pattern. This is for the second time happening that the Bitcoin is breaking out the bearish rising wedge pattern. Before that, we had such pattern formed here back in April 28 when I published this chart, and we can see that at that time I predicted that strong reasons why the Bitcoin will ignore this bearish pattern, and I just mentioned several reasons for that. And I'm just playing this chart, and we can see that at that time the price action also broke out this bearish chart pattern, like it is again breaking out. So this is a very strong bullish signal that the Bitcoin is ignoring all the bearish chart patterns that are being formed on the daily chart. And now at the end of this video, I would like to show you this multi-years based symmetrical triangle that is started back in December 2017, and we can see that the resistance of this triangle is a very strong rejection line for the price line of the Bitcoin. And we have seen so many rejections by this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. At this time, the price action is trying to break out. Even we have seen the spike beyond this resistance level. And at this time, the price action is struggling at here to break out this resistance line. And if we watch these moving averages, the position of these moving averages, then we have a very good positive or bullish position of the moving averages on this weekly chart, as we have the 50 moving average above all, then 25, then 100, and then 200. We have only this move by the 25 simple moving average due to cross up this 50 simple moving average. Then we will have a complete opened alligator mouth by the SMAs, like it was open here back before 2017, and it leaded the price action very strong bullish parabolic and produced more than 3,000% profit. And same kind of move is also being formed here, and only this move is due by the 25 simple moving average. So this, after this cross, we can expect that the price action will break out this level, this resistance level of this symmetrical triangle. And if the price action will break out this resistance, then definitely we will watch a very strong parabolic bullish move like we have witnessed here. And if the price action will be not able to break out, then it can retest the previous support of 50 simple moving average, that is around at $8,800. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this bullish garlic pattern that I have been posting since March 2020 in my different videos and the articles as well. And in this pattern, I was looking for a sequence of green bullish candlesticks will be appeared after hitting this potential reversal zone. Now I'm playing this chart, and we can see that we have a second bullish candlestick, very powerful bullish green candlestick appeared on this monthly chart. And once the candlestick will able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then it can turn even more bullish, as in my so many previous videos I have already told you that whenever the price action forms any harmonic move or harmonic pattern and crosses up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, then it can produce very powerful bullish rally. So this was the update so far. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Do share your comments with me and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.